Job number J-20230923-2. We're accessing the drain through a 3-inch cast iron or PVC cleanout tee behind the washing machine. Counter's at about 62 feet. We snaked in at 60 feet so far, and we're just taking an after video after doing some initial drain snaking with a 3-inch 4-blade cutter tip. You can see just a little bit of solids debris is sitting around on the bottom of the pipe. Looks like broken up bits of cast iron piping. As we pass back, we can see the camera's sort of plowing a little bit of a debris field, or a bit of a channel in between the debris field. A bit more cast iron debris sitting in the bottom of the pipe. Transition from PVC to cast iron at 48 feet. Cast iron pipe has a lot of bumpy scale on the side of it. Looks like a Y at the top, possibly a building cleanout where it's exiting the building. We don't know yet where that is. We see a lot of lumpiness to the cast iron, not a round pipe. Heavy scale continuing. We see a lot of lumpiness around the sides of the pipe. Change in direction. Again, a lot of debris around the piping here. Even a little bit of a formation on the joint, the orange part being a little debris formation. A little bit of shelving happening on the bottom left-hand side, just where there's some debris sitting around on the bottom, accumulating and hardening. Branching off on a Y. The run of the Y is heading somewhere unknown yet, but we're branching off, and the straight part is serving some other part of the system. A little change in direction. Possibly there's a Y or a T connection there serving something yet to be verified. Throughout this section of pipe we have relatively nice round profile, but it is quite lumpy and pitted from just age. Uncertain if this is a Y or just a change in direction to a shallower depth. The black we can see on the side of the piping is where a lot of food waste existed. We had a tremendous amount of debris or resistance on the snake between about 15 and 30 feet. So all of this was likely food waste buildup, but the black surfaces is probably where that debris existed prior to snaking. Bottom of the pipe has a little bit of channeling in there, uncertain whether that's a thin spot or just build up on the bottom. Looks like a plastic straw maybe, or some stir stick, or you can see kind of some sort of round profile in the bottom. It looks plastic by nature. Whatever it is, it flexes enough to keep washing down the drain with the camera. And then visible, it's very hard to see, but it's visible off to the right. That's a connection, right, top right corner of the screen, connection of the floor drain to the plumbing system. Going up the base of the stack, transitioning to PVC. Access point through the cleanout behind the washing machine.